They say it's normal to slow down after 60. But let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt your legs tremble just a little bit? Or maybe you've walked to the kitchen in the morning and wondered why your knees feel stiff, heavy, or just plain tired, even though you haven't done anything strenuous. You're not imagining things, and you're definitely not alone. Science now shows that after the age of 60, we lose up to 3% of our leg strength every single year, even without injury or illness. That's like trying to walk uphill every day without realizing someone's adding invisible weight to your back. But here's the encouraging news that might surprise you. Researchers have recently discovered that you can actually regain strength in your legs within just 12 hours. Not with pills, not with exhausting exercise routines, but with food. The right food, eaten the right way. That's exactly what we're going to explore together today. Because aging doesn't have to mean losing your power or independence. While you might not be able to turn back the clock, what you put on your plate today could genuinely help you feel steadier, stronger, and more confident by tomorrow morning. The science behind rapid muscle recovery. Before we dive into these remarkable foods, let me explain why this works so quickly. Your leg muscles are incredibly responsive to nutrition, especially certain nutrients that directly impact blood flow, inflammation, and muscle repair. When you give your body the right building blocks, it doesn't wait weeks to use them. It starts working immediately, often showing measurable improvements in strength, stability, and endurance within hours. Today, I'm going to share with you 8 incredible, science-backed foods, ranked from helpful to downright powerful, that can help restore your leg strength fast. I'll also explain exactly how to eat them, when to eat them, and the simple habits that make the biggest difference. Some of these foods may already be sitting in your kitchen right now, but you might not be using them in the most effective way yet. Food number 1. The mighty pumpkin seed. When you think of strong legs, pumpkin seeds probably aren't the first thing that comes to mind. But these tiny green powerhouses hold a secret that could completely change how your legs feel in just a few hours. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, and this single mineral plays a crucial role in how your muscles contract and relax. Without enough magnesium, your legs are more likely to cramp, feel weak, or respond slowly when you try to move. A study published in the journal Magnesium Research followed adults over 60 and found something remarkable. Those with low magnesium levels had nearly double the leg fatigue during walking tests compared to those with healthy levels. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between walking confidently through the grocery store and feeling like you need to sit down every 5 minutes. Beyond magnesium, pumpkin seeds provide zinc and healthy fats that reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance, both essential for muscle performance as we age. The best part is that you don't need to eat handfuls of them. Just 2 tablespoons of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds can deliver enough magnesium to start repairing tired muscles, sometimes within half a day. Here's a valuable tip most people don't know. If you soak the seeds overnight in a bit of water, you remove something called phytic acid, a compound that blocks mineral absorption. Soaking unlocks the minerals your legs are craving and helps your body use them immediately. Try tossing a spoonful on your morning oatmeal, stirring them into a smoothie, or eating them plain with a piece of fruit. You'll be surprised how such a small habit can make your legs feel less heavy and more stable. Food number 2. The recovery power of tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice might sound like something from a trendy health store, but for seniors who wake up with stiff legs, or feel soreness after a short walk, this ruby red drink can be a real game changer, and it works remarkably fast. What makes tart cherry special are compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful plant substances fight inflammation, improve circulation, and help your muscles recover after activity. In a placebo-controlled study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, older adults who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily experienced 23% less muscle soreness and a significant boost in leg strength, particularly in the quadriceps, after walking and climbing stairs. The benefits don't take weeks or months to appear. They start showing up in as little as 8 to 12 hours, especially if your legs are already feeling tight or tired. One glass today could mean noticeably better mobility tomorrow morning. Remember to look for 100% pure tart cherry juice with no added sugar. Start with 6 to 8 ounces, preferably in the evening or after light movement. Some people mix it with water if the taste is too strong, and that's perfectly fine. Think of it as a recovery drink that helps flush out lactic acid and improves blood flow, giving your legs the oxygen they need to bounce back quickly. Food number 3. The surprising power of cooked spinach. Spinach might seem like a plain side dish, but when it's cooked the right way, it becomes one of the most powerful allies your legs could ask for, especially after 60 when our muscles need support from the inside out. The secret isn't just the iron you've always heard about. It's the nitrates, magnesium, and potassium inside those dark green leaves that make all the difference for your legs. These nutrients improve muscle contraction, nerve communication, and most importantly, blood flow to your lower body. When spinach is cooked, something wonderful happens. Your body can absorb these minerals much more easily. Raw spinach contains oxalates, which can block absorption, but a quick sauté in olive oil with garlic or a squeeze of lemon juice creates the perfect combination for your body to use. A study published in Frontiers in Physiology tracked older adults who ate nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach daily. They had up to 16% stronger lower limb performance than those who didn't. Even more impressive, research in the Journal of Nutrition showed that just one serving of cooked spinach led to better walking speed and leg endurance in as little as 12 hours, especially in adults over 65. The nitrates in spinach turn into nitric oxide in your bloodstream, a gas that widens your blood vessels, increases oxygen delivery, and reduces leg fatigue. Try adding a cup of cooked spinach to your lunch or dinner. Sauté it gently, don't boil it until it's mushy, and mix it with other favorites like eggs or quinoa. Food number 4. The sustained energy of lentils. Lentils might not have the glamour of trendy superfoods, but if your goal is stronger, more reliable legs, these humble legumes deserve a regular place on your plate. As we age, our muscles don't just need fuel, they need the right kind of fuel. Quick sugars might give you a burst of energy, but they leave you crashing and tired. Lentils provide slow-releasing energy that keeps your leg muscles going strong for hours. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Gerontology followed seniors over 2 weeks. The group that added lentils to their daily meals had a 22% improvement in leg muscle endurance, especially during walking and prolonged standing, compared to those eating refined carbohydrates like white bread or pasta. Lentils are loaded with leucine, a powerful amino acid that signals muscle repair. They're rich in iron and potassium, vital for oxygen delivery and preventing cramps. They also contain prebiotic fiber, which supports gut health and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Cook dry lentils until soft, avoiding canned ones with too much salt. Add anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, garlic, or lemon. Try lentil soup with roasted vegetables or mash them into a warm spread with olive oil and herbs. Just 1 cup at lunch or dinner can keep your muscles fueled through the evening and help your legs feel noticeably stronger by the next morning. Food number 5. The triple threat of salmon. You've probably heard salmon is good for your heart, but what you might not know is how deeply it supports muscle strength, especially in your legs. For seniors who want to move with more ease and confidence, salmon isn't just food, it's a recovery tool. Salmon provides a powerful nutritional trio: high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Each plays a critical role in how your leg muscles repair, recover, and stay strong. When they come together in one meal, the impact is both fast and impressive. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who ate salmon 3 times a week saw a 24% increase in leg strength and mobility within just 10 days, especially around the knees and thighs. This improvement came from reduced inflammation between muscle fibers and increased muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to rebuild strength after movement. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon go directly into your muscle cells, calming inflammation and reducing soreness. The protein rebuilds the tiny tears in muscle fibers from everyday movement, and vitamin D helps your muscles contract properly and absorb calcium, preventing unexpected cramps or weakness. Choose wild-caught salmon when possible. Bake or grill it with olive oil, fresh herbs, and lemon juice. Even a small 4-ounce serving at dinner can help your legs feel noticeably more flexible and powerful by the next morning. Food number 6. The complete protein of quinoa. If you prefer plant-based options, or simply want something lighter that still gives your legs the strength they deserve, quinoa might become your new best friend. Most people think quinoa is a grain, but it's actually a seed. What makes it remarkable is that it's one of the only plant foods containing all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your muscles need to grow and repair. That's something even brown rice or oats can't offer. Quinoa is rich in magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamin E, nutrients that help your leg muscles contract with more control, recover faster, and stay energized throughout the day. A study from Brazil tracked older adults who ate quinoa at lunch and tested them the next morning. Their walking speed and leg strength were significantly better compared to those who had white rice or bread. Quinoa digests slowly, giving your body a steady stream of energy and preventing blood sugar crashes that leave your legs feeling weak or shaky. The magnesium helps prevent those annoying night cramps or early morning stiffness that many seniors experience. Rinse quinoa thoroughly to wash off the natural coating called saponin, which can be bitter. Then simmer it in water or low-sodium broth until fluffy. Mix it with cooked vegetables, top it with eggs and spinach, or serve it as a warm side dish at dinner. Food number 7. The circulation booster of beets. Beets might not be the first food you reach for, but when it comes to giving tired legs a burst of strength and stamina, they're nothing short of remarkable. What makes them so effective is their high nitrate content. When you eat beets, those nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a molecule that expands your blood vessels. This means better circulation, especially to your lower body where blood flow tends to slow down with age. Without proper blood flow, your muscles don't get the oxygen they need to work, recover, or hold you steady. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors who drank beet juice before walking experienced a 19% improvement in walking speed and leg performance in just a few hours. Not days, not weeks, but hours. Participants reported their legs felt lighter, more responsive, and they weren't nearly as sore after movement. You can roast beets, steam them, or blend them into a smoothie. For the fastest results, pure beet juice, unsweetened and undiluted, works best. Just one small glass in the morning or about an hour before activity can noticeably improve how your legs feel by midday. Food number 8. The ultimate healer, bone broth. If there's one food on this list that truly feels like healing from the inside out, it's bone broth. For aging legs, it's a fast-absorbing, deeply restorative fuel that works where it matters most, your muscles, joints, and connective tissues. Bone broth provides a unique combination of collagen, amino acids like glycine and proline, and natural electrolytes that your body can absorb and use immediately. Unlike other foods that take time to digest, bone broth is already broken down and ready to work the moment you drink it. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism showed that adults who consumed collagen-rich bone broth saw a 36% increase in muscle strength and flexibility within a week, with some experiencing noticeable improvement in leg function in just 24 hours. Another study from Japan found that glycine boosted leg muscle repair and recovery speed by over 40% in older adults just one day after physical activity. Choose homemade broth or high-quality store-bought versions made from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken bones. Simmer with apple cider vinegar, garlic, herbs, and vegetables for at least 12 hours to extract maximum nutrients. Drink it warm, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning or after light movement. Each of these foods does something unique for your legs, but together, they form a powerful system built on real science and real results. Leg weakness isn't always about age. Often, it's about circulation, inflammation, and recovery. When you nourish your body the right way, gently, consistently, and intentionally, your legs respond. Start simple. Choose just one of these foods to try today. Maybe a spoonful of soaked pumpkin seeds in the morning, a glass of tart cherry juice before bed, or a warm bowl of bone broth after a walk. Give it a day, then see how your legs feel tomorrow morning. You don't have to do everything at once. Build your strength bite by bite, step by step. Remember, you still have so many good walks ahead of you. Let's make sure your legs are ready for every single one of them. Your body has an amazing ability to heal and strengthen itself when given the right tools. These foods are those tools, and they're waiting to help you feel stronger, steadier, and more confident with every step you take. Take good care of yourself. You absolutely deserve to feel strong, stable, and independent at any age. The power to improve how your legs feel is quite literally on your plate. Start today, and by tomorrow morning, you might just feel the difference these simple, powerful foods can make in your life.